Hello everyone, today I'm super excited to unbox and swatch the HIMI Acrylic 24 paint set. Known for its smooth, creamy consistency and vibrant pigmentation, this set is perfect for all who love experimenting with rich textures and bold colors. As I open the box, I'm greeted with 24 stunning shades, ranging from warm tones like deep red and burnt umber to cool hues like cobalt blue and olive green. This set comes in sturdy and compact packaging, keeping each tube neatly arranged and secured. The vibrant color chart on the box gives a clear idea of the shades inside, making it easier for artists to choose and organize their palette. Plus, the squeeze tubes are easy to handle, allowing for controlled usage without any wastage. So let's start with the swatching. The thick and buttery texture glides effortlessly on paper, offering excellent coverage and quick drying time. The rich pigment load ensures vibrant and opaque coverage, even on darker surfaces, while the quick drying formula is perfect for efficient layering. HIMI paints are non-toxic and safe for all age groups. The 12 ml tubes are compact and provide just the right amount of paint for most projects. Once dried, the colors leave a smooth, matte finish that enhances the artwork's overall appeal. I am especially loving the Ponceau red for its bold intensity and the blackish green for adding depth and shadows. So what I love most about HIMI acrylics is their versatility. Whether we are layering, blending, or working on textured surfaces, these paints deliver rich, opaque results every time. Now we are looking at the wide range of greens, where we just looked at yellow green, grass green, jade green, olive green, and the last one being blackish green, ochre, and next burnt umber, which is ideal for rustic tones and shading. So with black, we come to the end of the swatching, and here is a quick view of all the colors. So if you're looking to level up your acrylic painting game, this set is definitely worth trying. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more art content. Happy painting!